Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply effects, light effects, cartoon, neon and drip effects to your picture on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app, then tap on the create button, select a picture, and after that tap on the effect button down below, which is the fourth option. As you tap on the first one, light effects, you are going to find these several light effects. As you can see, you should use your finger to adjust, so tap on it and drag it to the relevant part, and then you can adjust it by the help of this slide. Here you have a bunch of categories such as Christmas, season, love, texture and so on. As you go back, you can also use this cartoon effect. You have a bunch of preset options here, so all you have to do is clicking on the relevant one and then it will be adjusted. As you go back, you can also use this neon effects that you can apply. You can also use these drip effects and change the color. You can also use this splash function, so you should brush over the areas that you want to color. Moreover, you have this mirror effect, and you can adjust it by the help of your fingers too, as you drag it to the relevant part. There is also this sketch effect that you can apply. Here you can see down below how they look like when they are inserted. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.